In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a team member from a Slack workspace. If you're offboarding an employee, contractor, or intern, this is an important admin task to handle properly. In Slack, removing someone from the workspace is called deactivating an account. When you deactivate an account, that person immediately loses access to the workspace on all desktop and mobile devices they're signed into. At the same time, their message history and shared files stay in place, which is useful because your team can still refer back to past conversations and search results. Before you do this, keep in mind that deactivating a user can also affect things they created. For example, apps, integrations, or Slackbot workflows tied to that account may stop running and might need to be updated by an active admin afterward. You may also notice that the user's profile image changes to a default gray icon, and their name will appear with a deactivated label. On paid workspaces, billing typically adjusts automatically based on active seats during the next billing cycle. To begin, open Slack using the desktop app or sign in through your web browser. Once you're inside the workspace, go to the upper left corner of the sidebar and click your workspace name. This opens the main drop-down menu. From there, hover over Settings and Administration, then click Manage Members. That action will open the member management directory in your browser where you can make account changes. Once the member dashboard loads, head to the search field near the top right of the directory. This is the quickest way to find the person you want to remove, especially in larger workspaces. Type in the team member's name or their work email address, then wait for the matching results to appear. When you see the correct person listed, locate their row in the directory. Now move to the right side of that user's row and click the More Actions button, shown as 3 vertical dots. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Deactivate Account. Slack will then show a confirmation pop-up because this action immediately removes the user's access. If you also want to remove them from any shared external Slack Connect channels, check the box in that confirmation window. Then click the red Deactivate button to finalize the process. At that point, the account is locked out of the workspace and the removal is complete. That is all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.